In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing world of our minds and uncovering why certain people remain at the forefront of our thoughts. We'll explore 3 compelling reasons that could explain why someone seems to be on your mind constantly. Stick around till the end to discover the psychological insights that might surprise you. 1. Emotional connection. One reason someone might be constantly on your mind is a deep emotional connection. This could be due to shared experiences or a strong bond that you can't easily shake. Emotional ties create mental loops that keep you thinking about that person because your brain is trying to process and maintain this connection. 2. Unresolved feelings. Another reason could be unresolved feelings or unfinished business. If there were past issues or unresolved conflicts, your mind may continuously revisit them as a way to seek closure or understanding. This lingering emotional residue can make it difficult to move on, causing the person to remain at the forefront of your thoughts. 3. Psychological projection. Sometimes, we project our own thoughts, desires, or insecurities onto others. If you're fixated on someone, it could be a reflection of your own internal struggles or needs. Your mind might be focusing on this person as a way to externalize and deal with what's happening within yourself. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.